Welcome to the Substance Painter and Blender Mastery Bundle, a complete beginner-friendly package including 4 full courses featuring the best-selling complete guide to Substance Painter and the comprehensive Blender for Beginners course, along with 2 additional project-based mini courses to help you learn everything from scratch. With over 40 hours of in-depth step-by-step training, you'll learn all the basics, core tools and functions of Blender and Substance Painter, along with applying your skills across 6 projects including props like a Nintendo Gameboy, hall clock, texturing multiple assets in Substance Painter like a fire extinguisher drill, and creating a full bathroom environment in Blender. In the best-selling course Complete Guide to Substance Painter, we'll cover all the basics, functions, and features from making mesh maps to using smart materials, generators, masks, and much more. Then you will bring all of those skills together by texturing 3 fully detailed props, a fire extinguisher, a power drill, and a wooden table. In the Blender for Complete Beginners course, you'll learn everything from the ground up, including modeling, materials, modifiers, lighting, cameras, rendering, everything. Once you are comfortable with the tools, you'll apply your skills in a full bathroom environment project created entirely from scratch in Blender. To polish your skills even further, you will get 2 extra focus mini courses that are creating a Nintendo Game Boy and creating a hall clock. In both the courses, we will be modeling the assets entirely in Blender and texturing them in Substance Painter, and finally lighting and rendering them back in Blender as practical asset building exercises. This bundle is fully beginner friendly, project based, and requires no prior experience. Whether you are just starting out or looking to improve your 3D workflow, it is a complete path to learning both Blender and Substance Painter with confidence. So I hope to see you there. Thank you.